Hello everyone, it is Royal Biker and we've got some new stuff today. Hopefully I'm in frame, don't know if I actually am. This is coming all the way from New Delhi, India. That's right. So in this video, we are going to switch around the seat on my 2019 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. As you guys know, I have like the touring seat, so it's like basically enough room for two people, and that's great and all that, but I wanted something a little smaller and more cafe-esque. So I got this single seat with the rear cowl, and that's what's in this box. So let's go install it on the bike. And today is a perfect day to do installations on bikes because let me show you something. That's right, it is snowing. There's like 3 inches of snow already outside, so pretty garbage weather. Definitely frustrated that it's only like the middle of November and I can't ride anymore, but it is what it is. Let's head to the garage and let's start installing stuff. Ugh. What is this weather? This is garbage. There's like 3 inches of snow outside. Ugh. This is insane. All right. Before I do that, dark, light. So much better installing these lights. If you guys haven't seen that video. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I closed the door because I feel like the white balance with the snow in the background is pretty obnoxious. So hopefully this is enough light. Got my knife. Boop, boop, boop. Ceramic. Let's open the switch up. There's the seat cowl, the actual part. Smells like new paint. When you're buying this, it's important that you get the right color. They make it in black, blue, or the white. So make sure you get the one that matches your bike. Wow, the seat feels nicer. Screws are on the other side of the tape. Good to know. There's anything left of that. So, let's see. That's what it currently looks like. And it's gonna go like that. But let's see if I can do this one-handed. And this is going to cover up the rear of it, making it a bit more sporty. What do you guys think? New seat, old seat. New seat, old seat. Okay, so we have the seat and now we need to bolt the cowl to it with those screws that came in. These things, see, hole, hole, hole. They all line up pretty perfectly already. We're just gonna go grab, yeah. So grab these bolts, see what we need. Little hex. Let's find it. So, bolt, it's actually a star pattern. T20 is what you need. That's the one. There we go. It's installed. They don't line up perfectly, but it's not crazy. I was assuming that this plastic piece would actually like cover this, but it doesn't. That's okay. So, what are your thoughts? Do we like the 2-up seat? Do we like single seat. 2 up, single. 2 up, single. All right, so to pop up the seat, super easy to do, right? You need your key for your bike, pop it in here, turn left, swings up from the bottom, and then this kind of pulls down like that. Now, there's this little lever right there. You pull that out, like so. Between my legs, and the back open, lifts up, pulls out, easy peasy. So now this seat goes away, and this seat goes in. So there's these little latches on the front that kind of like scoop into the bottom here. Those scoop in there. And then there's this pin system, this really big pin that punches into there. And then from that, we have ourselves a new seat. And this is really easy to do. Let's see. That goes in there. There we go, push it forward. And there we go. What are your thoughts? So that's it. It probably took maybe 10 minutes to take the old seat off, put the new seat on, put the cowl on the new seat, throw it on the bike. Really easy. I think that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Lots of videos coming up with this bike. I'm gonna paint it in the probably next few weeks. Haven't decided on a color yet, but if you know a color that you think it would make sense on my GT650, let me know in the comments. I was thinking a British Racing Green, or Porsche has a really good Miami Blue. If you don't know what that is, search Porsche 911 Targa Miami Blue. I was even thinking about Ducati Red or Ferrari's Fly Yellow. A lot of just exotic colors to this bike. So let me know your thoughts. I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Berlin Biker is out.